What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can remove or check connected apps on Facebook. First, let's open our Facebook app on your device. On the bottom right, click your profile. From here, scroll down to Settings, then click Settings again. Navigate to your Activity section, then right-click Apps and Websites. You will be taken to this page where you can see all the apps connected to your Facebook account. To remove one, just simply click the app you want to disconnect your FB. In our case, let's select TikTok over here. Click remove, then on this prompt, check this box over here. Hit remove again, and there you go. You have successfully removed a connected app on your Facebook.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.